Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Shure MoveMic MV-R receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this receiver is not connecting to something, it's not pairing with the microphone or with your camera or anything like that, or there seems to be sound issues. Anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're jumbled up with the settings and the pairings and everything like that, and you just want to go ahead and get a fresh start and start over with this receiver like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can do that straight from this receiver. It's super easy to do. All we're going to do is come in and access the main menu, and then straight from the main menu, we will be able to scroll down and select factory reset. Once we select factory reset, you'll have to go through a couple confirmations. You have to go enter, and then enter again to reset, and then enter again to confirm the full factory reset, at which point you can go ahead and set this receiver up like it's brand new.